This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Bob McGinnis. Totally renovated 4+ bedroom, 2-bath split-level house. Lots of new roof, new siding, new drywall, new flooring, new kitchen, new appliances, 2 new bathrooms, new water heater, new doors and light fixtures, some new wiring and plumbing. High Eff Furnace. Large Lovel Lot. Seller will include a 14-month home warranty for the buyer. All dimensions are estimates. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob McGinnis at 712-255-7310.